Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can calculate time difference in JavaScript. Keep on watching. So basically this is the problem question right here. To create a function which accepts an alarm parameter, and the function should then calculate the difference between the current time and the alarm time, and then return a string in the format X hours and Y minutes of sleep. For example, 3 hours and 45 minutes of sleep. So basically our alarm calculator is going to tell us how many hours or minutes, or hours and minutes we have to sleep. And here are our constraints. So we're basically supposed to validate our input, make sure it's in the correct format, right? And also to indicate if it's going to be in 12-hour or 24-hour time format. This is my pseudocode. I'll have the link to the repo with this solution in the description box. Be sure to check that out. This is the time difference function. It accepts an alarm time as the input. So in this first section, I'm basically validating the input to make sure that it's in the correct format using regex and checking the type of the input to make sure it's a string. And if any of these is a problem, we're going to return a string to make the user understand that we need a 24-hour time format and it should be a string. Next, I'm declaring my input and input minutes variable. Then I'm checking if alarm time.length is 4. Then we basically want to grab just the first character, which means just this first one. Also, if the length of the string is 5, we want to grab the first 2 characters, which is what I've done here. The same for the minute section of my inputs. Then I'm basically transforming my inputs to express both the hour and minutes in just minutes, so it's easier to manipulate, right? And also the value is a string, remember, but we need to be able to multiply by 60, divide by 60. That's basically perform math operations on it, so we need it to be a number, which is what I'm doing with this function. Next, I'm getting my current hour, my current minutes, and I'm expressing it in minutes. So right here, if my input time is less than my current time, it means that the user has entered a time that's less than the current time, which is not supposed to be, right? You're supposed to sleep. It's supposed to be an alarm time. If the input time is less than the current time, we're supposed to prompt the user to enter a time ahead of current time. If the input time is exactly equal to the current time, it means there's no sleep time left. Else, we calculate the difference, taking away the current time from the input time and returning it in a template literal. So we're going to run it right now, right here. Let me expand this so it's readable. It's currently 1 p.m. on the dot. So here I'm going to put 1 p.m. too. So I'm going to run that again. These are our results and it's correct. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Kindly subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below.